Max, wake up, please. We are filming useful expressions for awkward moments, not recording a documentary about your extremely committed sleeping habits. Ow! What was that for? I was not sleeping, Ben. I was just deeply reflecting on life, with my eyes closed, and possibly dreaming about lunch. Let's begin. So, what do you think about marriage? I don't really believe in marriage. I believe in it spiritually, legally, financially, historically. I love marriage. I basically invented marriage.
He's backtracking.
You are the perfect guy for my daughter. To backtrack means when you say something wrong, not wrong exactly, just misunderstood or badly expressed, which happens sometimes, not that I do that often. You revise or soften your earlier words to correct yourself, usually after noticing confusion, misunderstanding, or an unintended meaning in conversation. Team, our new project focuses on innovation and growth. We'll leverage our resources to expand into new markets. Questions? Danny, your thoughts? I support whatever we decided. We decided whether to fire you.
No, I no longer support that.
Danny has been caught off guard.
Max, what is your biggest weakness? Max, explain this one quickly without thinking too much. Let's see what happens when you are completely unprepared in a real moment. Caught off guard means when something unexpected happens and your brain just stops working properly, leaving you confused and slightly awkward. Look at my haircut. It looks horrible. Don't worry, it's not that bad. At least your head is still there?
Gary tried to help and just made matters worse.
Make matters worse means when you try to fix a situation, but somehow your words or actions make everything more awkward and uncomfortable. So instead of improving the situation, you unintentionally increase the problem, often by over-explaining or reacting in a way that adds more confusion.
See? I didn't drop my coffee.
Molly is just very clumsy. Clumsy describes someone who often makes small physical mistakes, like dropping things or moving awkwardly, especially when they are trying to act normal. It reflects a lack of coordination, which can lead to minor accidents, often creating unintentionally funny or slightly embarrassing situations.
Are you okay, Victor?
That looked painful! I meant to do that, just testing glass transparency.
He is just trying to brush it off. Let's get out of here.
Yeah, let's go.
Brush it off means when something awkward happens, but you pretend everything is fine and continue as if your dignity was not slightly damaged. In simple terms, you ignore the embarrassment and move on calmly, instead of reacting or letting the situation affect your confidence too much.
Hey, Rhea, how have you been?
Hey, Tommy, I'm good. Did you bring the file?
Yes, no, maybe. Actually, I'll go.
Why are you stammering?
I don't know.
To stammer means when you speak with pauses or repetition because you feel nervous, unsure, or slightly embarrassed in that moment. It happens when your thoughts and speech are not aligned, often during pressure or awkwardness, causing hesitation or broken flow while speaking. These expressions help you handle awkward moments naturally, because real English is not perfect. It is simply about staying calm and communicating clearly. Honestly, even if you forget everything, just stay confident. People remember your vibe, not your small, awkward mistakes in conversation. If you found this helpful, explore more at flairforwords.com, and if it quietly helped you, you may consider subscribing for more.